With over $540 million in funding, supporting 102 countries, and serving over 30 million customers, Coinbase is one of the biggest cryptocurrency companies around. However, bigger isn't always better. I'm Nate Martin, and we're talking about Coinbase in our 2-minute review. Founded in 2012, Coinbase is a fully regulated, licensed Bitcoin exchange. While Coinbase offers several services, in this review we'll focus on its most popular service, Coinbase.com, which allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin, as well as over 20 other cryptocurrencies. Our team considers Coinbase's buying process to be one of the easiest and fastest available. Coinbase supports several payment methods, including wire transfer, debit card, and credit card. Coinbase's fee structure consists of a 0.5% premium over the market price plus a transaction fee relative to the amount transacted. Overall, we found that Coinbase offers a competitive fee structure when compared to similar alternatives. All digital currency held online by Coinbase is insured. This, however, does not cover any losses resulting from the compromise of individual Coinbase accounts. Moreover, if you're a United States resident, your Coinbase USD wallet is covered by the FDIC, up to a maximum of $250,000, a benefit you won't find in most any other online service. It's important to know that Coinbase.com is a custodial service, meaning you don't have any direct access to the funds stored at Coinbase or the private keys controlling them. In some extreme cases, Coinbase can and has frozen users' accounts without prior notice. Another thing worth mentioning is that Coinbase's customer support is known for its slow response time and lack of actual assistance. In fact, Coinbase received a Better Business Bureau rating of F. So if you encounter any issues, it could be a while before they're resolved. To conclude, Coinbase is simple and easy to use. On the downside, you're not in control of your coins, your transactions are being tracked, and support is seriously lacking. Make it 3.8 stars from us here at 99 Bitcoins, as we consider it an easy and reliable place for buying Bitcoin, but not for storing it long term. Have you used any of Coinbase's services? Let us know what you think in the comments below. That's today's 2-minute crypto review. For our in-depth review, visit the link in the description, and I'll see you in a bit. If you've enjoyed this video, leave us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss a review, news update, or the clearest information about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies anywhere.